A lot of people have been injured, blood has been shed, and we believe this was a deliberate assassination attempt on Mheshimiwa here and his wife. They had to escape their residence where they were for pikipiki. And we've just come from Webuye District Hospital, sub-county hospital. I would invite you to go there and look at the injuries. There are those who have been stabbed in the stomachs. There are those whose intestines are out. We've just come from theater. They're being operated upon. And the leader of these goons has actually been David Ndakwa, Stanley Livondo, who has been known for violence in Langata and other areas of Nairobi. That violence has been brought to Webuye. Some of the thugs that have been brought here came from Lakisama, from Ruaraka, from Kariobangi and Kibra. Some of Livondo's supporters. They've come here to attack very peaceful lawyers who are preparing to vote in their next member of parliament to replace Malulu Njeni. And we want to tell the IG of police, the police are being used as a tool of violence against citizens of Kenya. And they are working in cahoots with known goons. When they attacked the hotel, the goons came in first to charge. Then they were unable to open the gate. The Land Cruiser of Matete Police Station with armed police officers were the ones who broke the gate to access Mheshimiwa. So Mheshimiwa had to escape on a motorbike. All his vehicles have been damaged, the people have been injured, and we want to tell IEBC that this candidate of UDA, David Ndakwa, should be disqualified. To go to the extent of actually wanting to harm his opponent, who is the people's choice, cannot be left untouched. So we've just come from hospital and we want to say that apart from the violence we have seen today, the votes of bribery, which are actually grounds for disqualification of this candidate, we want to see action taken. Yeah.